8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Greetings, fellow seekers of knowledge. Today, when we talk about Chandrayaan 3, we embark on a journey that celebrates the essence of unity, understanding, and global harmony. If you think about it, Chandrayaan 3 mission is a marvel that mirrors the very soul of Amity. We all know that Amity isn't just our school's name, but it's a profound ideology that resonates within each of us. Amity means friendship and benevolence. It echoes the timeless wisdom of Vasudev Kutumbakam from ancient Indian philosophy, recognizing our world as a cohesive global family. The culture of Amity and the tapestry of Chandrayaan 3 converge to remind us that progress flourishes in the garden of collaboration. As Amity kindles understanding among us, the people, Chandrayaan 3 forges a shared comprehension of the cosmos. As a proud Amitian and a proud Indian, let me take you through some interesting facts about Chandrayaan 3. Sit back and soak in the wealth of information for the next few minutes. It is indeed a very proud moment for ISRO and India, but all of this started with a very humble beginning. In the vast cosmos of aspirations, the journey of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO began as a humble spark. It all began in the 1960s, when dreams dared to soar higher than the limitation of resources. It was an era when Indians' ambition reached for the stars despite having modest means. A handful of visionaries joined hands, undeterred by the scarcity of technological luxuries. Their dreams were fueled by determination, not just propulsion. Can you imagine the rockets of innovation being transported on humble bicycles and bullock carts? The wheels of progress turned even when the wheels on the ground were simple. From makeshift labs to launching pads, ISRO's trajectory was marked by resourcefulness. Today, as we witness advanced technology catapulting into the heavens, let's not forget the foundation it stands upon. ISRO's story reminds us that true brilliance does not rely on riches, but on the richness of ideas and the audacity to chase them. For students like us, this teaches us a very important lesson that innovation thrives when constraints are seen as challenges and limitations as stepping stones. Just as those pioneers dreamed amidst adversity, let us dream big. Just like ISRO's journey from bicycles to rockets, our journey starts with belief and determination. Let's now move to talk about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3, born from the legacy of its predecessor, took flight with the launch vehicle Mark III from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. After landing on the moon, Chandrayaan 3's voyage, though brief, spans half a lunar day, roughly 14 Earth days. Guided by its objectives, Chandrayaan 3 gracefully and securely landed near the lunar South Pole. A series of precisely calibrated maneuvers navigated the lander to a gradual lunar embrace, which materialized on August 23rd. The rover Pragyan, fueled by the mission's ingenuity, now roams the moon's surface conducting chemical analysis and scientific experiments, unraveling the moon's mysteries step by step. Chandrayaan 3's historical importance extends beyond the moon. With just 3 nations, United States, Russia, and China, achieving lunar landings, India, a pioneering force with Chandrayaan 3, spearheads exploration by becoming the first country to land at the moon's south pole. This region is shrouded in perpetual shadow, potentially concealing water ice, and offers a tantalizing glimpse into our cosmic past. The cost of Chandrayaan 3 is estimated to be around $75 million. This is significantly lower than the cost of previous lunar missions and fractional the cost of NASA's budget. Some of you may argue that India is cutting costs by reducing the budget for Chandrayaan 3, but the world understands the importance of having cheaper space missions. In fact, many countries are working on developing their own low-cost space programs. This is a positive trend, and India is leading on this front as it will help to make space exploration more accessible to everyone. To the more curious ones, let me talk about the payloads that Chandrayaan 3 carries with it and what experiments are we conducting on Moon. Chandrayaan 3 lander has 4 scientific instruments or payloads, of which one will study the moonquakes, while the other one studies as to how the surface of Moon allows heat to flow through it. The third one will study the plasma environment near the Moon's surface, and the fourth instrument will enable scientists to measure the distance between Earth and Moon very accurately. The two instruments on the rover helps us study the composition of Moon's surface using X-rays and laser rays. While the lander and rover will be in direct contact with each other, the propulsion module circling the Moon will observe the light coming from Earth, the only planet which we know is definitely teeming with life. This observation will help in understanding the nature of distant planets circling stars other than the Sun. These instruments are the heart of the venture, enabling the spacecraft to carry out groundbreaking experiments and discover valuable insights on the lunar surface. Without delving into the payloads, comprehending the full value and purpose of Chandrayaan 3 remains incomplete. Similarly, without knowing about the people behind the mission, it would be an incomplete video. So in the next and last section, let me talk about the key people who worked hard on this mission. ISRO Chairman S. Somanath, Project Director P. Veeramuthuvel, Director of URSC M. Sankaran, Deputy Project Director Kalpana K, Nilesh M. Desai, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad, S. Unnikrishnan Nair, Thiruvananthapuram based Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, A. Rajarajan, Director of Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR, Sriharikota. In addition to these remarkable individuals, a dedicated team of hundreds poured their hearts and expertise into making Chandrayaan 3 a reality. Let us join in giving them a resounding round of applause for their unwavering dedication and collective brilliance. As young minds, let these stories of humble beginnings, audacious dreams, and relentless pursuit remind us that even stars are within our reach. Chandrayaan 3 doesn't just unravel the mysteries of the Moon, it reveals the boundless potential of human determination. Let us be inspired by these tales of exploration and endeavor and believe in the fact that our dreams can light up the cosmos one day.